So there's this food blogger that I kind of know. Her name is Grace. And she's perfect for a night like tonight because you're going to be stuck inside, right? So she says, you dim the lights at your apartment or your house, you put on some romantic music, you pour a glass of champagne, or maybe wine, whatever. And, yeah, there you go. Oh, yeah, Grace, I hear you talking. She's also a YouTuber. And there she is right there.
With her fiancé, Eric.
What? Grace, you have a fiancé?
Oh, yes. Lucky duck. Look at this guy.
I just showed up today.
Congratulations. How long have you been engaged now?
We've been engaged now for about 3 years. We're getting married very, very soon, so very excited.
Together for 3 years, engaged for
almost 3 years now. Come on.
Eric's been blaming the pandemic. After the pandemic, dear, okay? So we need, I think, meat and potatoes tonight. Does that sound right on a cold night?
Oh, it is a snowy, snowy day outside, and what better way to enjoy a snow day than have a steak dinner for two, a crispy potato side dish, and a nice little cocktail made by mine truly here, Eric Bianco. So let's get started here. So we have some beautiful steaks. These are tenderloin steaks. They're about 1.5 inches or so thick. You can use whatever cut of beef that you want, but tenderloin steaks are like the best, as you know. And you're just gonna sear them in a little bit of butter in a very, very hot skillet for about 2 minutes on each side, and then stick them in the oven to finish them, and then they come out at what temp?
135 degrees, perfect medium rare.
Okay.
I had to test them.
How long in the oven, and what's the temperature of the oven?
400 degrees for about 6 to 8 minutes or so, and they come out just like this.
Ooh,
look how fast that is.
Beautiful.
It's the sauce that's key, though.
Oh, the sauce.
And the sauce is a red wine sauce, and Eric and I just love red wine, so it's like the best thing ever.
Everything's better with wine.
So you're just gonna pour a little bit of wine into a skillet here. Make sure to pour yourself some glasses too while you're making the sauce. And then I have some shallots here, and how much do I love shallots?
Grace uses shallots and everything. We're gonna turn into a couple of shallots here soon.
And then a little bit of mushrooms. And then some butter here, just to make everything better. Butter makes everything better, doesn't it?
That's a block.
And then some fresh thyme there. And then you basically just let this cook down for about 10 minutes or so. And then it comes out just like this. Eric, do you want to spoon it over?
Yeah, I'd love to.
Oh my gosh. Look at how beautiful.
See, now, I'm totally into that. Put that right on the meat.
Oh,
yeah.
You can put this on eggs, on anything. I mean, I do.
And then just put a little bit of fresh thyme on there, and voila, you're done. But you're not done because you want a crispy potato side dish, am I right? So all you have to do is you're going to take a mandolin, which looks like this, and thinly slice your potatoes into just little pieces like this. And you're going to layer the potatoes in a little skillet, brush with butter, and layer butter, potatoes, butter, potatoes. And once you do that, you're going to end up with something like this, which is called potatoes.
Potatoes Anna. Sounds fancy, but it's not.
It's not at all. It's just butters and potatoes.
Hey, where'd you two meet?
Sorry?
Where did you meet, you two?
Oh, we met actually online.
Oh. Now, was it like
a new way of meeting?
Was it a dating site or was it an app like Tinder?
It was an app, not Tinder, but
it was OkCupid, I think.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Oh, I've heard of that.
Yeah.
Well, it worked out. Hey, do you have any booze there, by the way?
and I actually, on our first date, we actually drank a Negroni, the cocktail we're
showed me that.
now.
And he is 100% Italian, so he knows how to make a Negroni. It's an Italian cocktail.
What's in a
Negroni's the best.
Negroni?
Equal parts vermouth, Campari, and gin. It's sweet, it's bitter. It turns out to be this beautiful red color here.
Look at that.
And, you know, Grace would love to have a cheers.
You just top it with just a little bit of orange, too, and it just makes everything so just pop. The flavors pop.
Eric knows what he's doing. He's going to marry a food
I do all the
blogger.
hard work. I chop the onions, Grace cooks the food.
That's awesome. Oh, well, good luck.
Cheers to you two.
Yeah.
Thanks so much.
Cheers.
Enjoy the
Happy
day.
snow day.
That's great. Again, it's Grace Vallow, and she's a food blogger. I think the name of it is Tastefully Grace. There you go.
Tastefully Grace.
Check her out, seriously. Hey, Sue.